Hi guys, today I'm making dessert gulab jamun. To make the syrup, in a pan on high heat, add in the sugar, cardamom and water. Mix it together and allow the sugar to dissolve. Once the mixture starts to boil, allow it to do so for about 5 minutes, then set it aside till needed. In a bowl, add in the milk powder, flour and baking powder and mix it together well. Then gradually mix in the cream. Once the dough starts to come together, use your hands to knead it. Mix everything together until it forms a soft but slightly sticky dough. Oil your hands and break off small pieces of the dough and roll them into balls. Try to make them as smooth as possible. Heat about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of oil and place the gulab jamun in a few at a time. These will need to be fried in batches depending on the size of your pan. Use a fork to turn them back and forth and allow them to fry till golden brown. Anywhere from golden brown to not burnt is perfect. I like mine a bit darker, so I allowed it to fry till deep golden brown. Then remove it from the oil and place it into the syrup. Mix it well, then allow this to stand covered for about 1 hour. In that time, whenever you remember, just give the pan a little mix. And once it's absorbed most of the syrup, it's ready to serve with some additional syrup and an optional sprinkling of nuts. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!